open the 1-in-a-million Navigator Pro.
I've awakened the Navigator.
Please choose your direction. Choosing different directions will yield different supplies.
Only the East has supplies. Better go check it out. Whoa, there's really an apple. So, sweet and juicy. With this Navigator, I can definitely survive.
Please choose your direction.
Supplies in the East again. Away. What kind of weapon? I have to check it out. A harpoon! I can hunt now. Die! You wanted me? Dead! I really didn't mean to kill you. My lucky day! Found a whole school of fish! Got it! Finally! A decent meal!
Please choose your direction.
Supplies in the north this time. Let's go! A chest! What is inside? This is... Here is... a rope, a hammer, nails, glass, and other materials. I can use these to expand the raft. The raft upgrade was a success. With this cabin, I am finally out of the elements. My homemade water purifier. That solves the water problem. You can go 7 days without food, but without water, you are dead in 3 days.
Choose your direction.
Sea monster, 20 meters north. Good thing the Navigator warned me. That would have been dangerous. Can't go west either. There is a beautiful woman alone to the south. I have to check it out.
Help! I don't want to die. Someone help me.
Miss, are you okay?
Water. I need water.
She is drinking my...
Finally, some water.
This girl.
Who are you? She stole my first kiss?
Wait. She looks familiar. I remember now. She is from Rivergate University. The campus belle, Sophie Rivers. Every guy on campus dreamed of her. They say she is cold and distant, untouchable, unbelievable. She is a survivor at sea, too.
Are you done staring? Just give me water.
Just water? Take a look at this.
Give it to me!
Hold on your tone. Doesn't sound like you are begging.
I'm sorry. Please, please. Just one sip. I haven't had water in 3 days. I don't want to die.
The aftermath really changes people to think the Ice Queen would end up like this.
Can I follow you? I can sing and dance. I'll even wash your feet. You can do anything you want to me. Please.
Anything?
Any unreasonable demand is fine.
Forget it. It is the aftermath. I don't want a burden.
I'll be your slave. Right. I found a chest last night. Let me on your raft. And it is yours.
This chest looks pretty nice. It must have some good stuff inside. Having help at sea is pretty nice. At the very least, this beauty can keep my bed warm. Alright. Deal. Come home with me.
Home?
This is my home.
This is your home!
I am Jack Fisher. Stick with me.
Okay, Jack. Everyone else is just surviving on a raft. He is on vacation.
Massage my back every night, and I'll keep you fed and water.
Okay. I'll do whatever you want.
Call me husband.
Husband.
Good girl.
Thanks, husband!
You're starving. Let's see. What is in this chest? Whoa! Nice! It is a Desert Eagle! And 10 bullets! This will keep me safe! Letting her on board was the right move?
Please select your next direction.
Can I detect? Up to 100 meters now. Looks like the more I use the navigator, the wider its range gets.
Husband, who are you talking to?
Not your business.
Ah.
Other directions, no supplies detected. North it is.
Ha! Set sail!
It is moving! The raft turned into a boat! Husband, where are we going next?
We're going on a treasure hunt.
Husband, look! There is a golden chest!
Oh, it is so heavy.
We're so lucky, finding such great supplies.
Relax. Just routine. The navigator tells me where the supplies are, so of course I find good stuff. There must be something great in here.
Looks like we've hooked a big one.
Who are they?
So there are bad guys around.
Nice raft you've got here. I am taking it.
Boss! And a pretty girl on board, too!
What do you want?
We're here for your loot and your girl.
Get lost! You are not welcome!
Out here, there's no law. Just pirates everywhere.
Kid, jump in the sea if you want to live.
Yeah! Scrap!
Husband, what do we do?
Relax. I have the truth on my side. You dare. You're asking for it.
Come on, Chris Nolan, Alex Grant! How do you have a gun?
Weren't you so tough just now?
Go on.
Boss, I was wrong. It was all my fault. Boss, I'll get lost now. Just let me go.
Go. Did I say you could go?
He's so manly. Sticking with him in the aftermath isn't bad.
Bring me all the food from your raft. Death? Boss, I'll get it right away. Boss, these are the supplies I've scavenged at sea. They're all yours.
So many cans!
You're cooperative. I'll spare your life.
Ah! Boss! Why'd you shoot me?
Jump in the sea. I'm taking your raft. Jump in the sea if you want to live.
Fine. I'll jump.
The sharks will smell the blood. They'll come. You won't survive. What is in this chest? This is... Whoa! A flamethrower! Let's test it! Now I can start fires at sea.
Great! We have food now!
I'll use other people's rafts for materials to upgrade and expand my raft. With the navigator, for me, this ocean is full of opportunities.
Choose your next destination. 90 meters west. High-value treasure. But a sea monster roams nearby.
High-value treasure. I have a pistol and a flamethrower now. I can handle a sea monster. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's do this.
Husband! Look! There is a chest over there!
Watch your surroundings. Watch out for an attack.
It is come around here, not a ripple on the water. Doesn't look dangerous.
This chest is heavy.
Husband, should we open it now?
Let's get out of here first. Let's go.
Die!
You are amazing, honey!
Don't celebrate yet. We're not safe yet. Take the wheel! Hurry! Get us out of here!
My God! How are there so many monsters?
Out of ammo! Too many monsters! Time for my trump card!
Watch out!
Die!
My husband is so hot! We're done for!
Bring it on! Come on, if you dare! Come on!
Go! Honey!
Scared already? I am not done playing yet. You animals dare to fight me. My idea.
Honey, are you okay?
I am fine. I wonder if this sea monster meat is poisonous.
Honey, is this sea monster meat poisonous?
I was just thinking the same thing.
What if you saved my life? Let me test if it is poisonous.
Don't! Tastes like chicken! It actually tastes like chicken! So good!
It is safe. Let me try some.
How is it? Isn't it delicious?
Not bad. This sea monster meat is so delicious. From now on, these sea monsters can be our long-term food supply. Here, strip all the meat from this sea monster. Slice it and dry it. That way, it'll last longer.
Okay, honey, I'll get right on it.
Oh, right. I haven't opened my golden chest yet. Let's see what is inside this golden chest. What good stuff is in here? What? It is actually... all heavy firepower.
Honey, these are SMGs.
2 SMGs, 100 rounds, plus 2 grenades. From now on these seas, we can rule.
Honey, you are amazing.
Not bad. You are good. You are worth keeping around.
It is my honor to serve you, honey.
What is wrong? Are you not feeling well?
Number, I am fine. I am just feeling a little hot. Hot. So hot.
Is it the sea monster meat? How could this meat be an aphrodisiac? Who could resist this?
Honey, tonight. Honey, tonight.
Never thought the campus queen would one day be in my arms.
Warning, nearby island detected. Abundant resources, but with deadly unknown dangers.
Let me see where it is.
Choose. Where do you want to go next?
And at last, I am fully equipped for danger.
Honey, where are we going?
An island to the north. Let's check it out.
An island? Honey! An island! It is really an island!
Don't get too excited. The island is full of unknowns. We can't let our guard down.
Honey, what is this?
For your protection.
I can't believe he trusts me this much. Honey, we're almost on land!
Do you hear something?
Over there!
The more you resist, the more I like it.
Ethan, to be continued, to be continued, to be continued.
Scream! Scream louder! Scream while you want, no one's coming!
Chief, hurry up! Let us have a turn with her!
Harassing a woman in broad daylight. You thugs have a death wish.
Wow, my husband is so hot! Who is he? He has a gun. He has a gun too!
Charge! Submachine gun! The boss! Boss! It is a misunderstanding! It is all a misunderstanding! You can have her! Please! Have mercy! Let me go!
Well, you know when to fold. But that was a quick change of heart.
Apologize to the boss! You are so disrespectful! Sorry, boss! We were wrong! Sorry!
Scram!
Scum.
Death is too good for you.
Honey, she is so pitiful.
What is he doing? Just as I thought. He is no better than those scumbags.
Honey, watch out!
Sandstone. Then grab.
Watch out!
I saved you, and you repay me by stabbing me. You want to kill me.
Save me! You are just like them! What is the difference? You killed them just to take their place and have me for yourself! You aren't addressing me! You just want to do those disgusting things to me. In this aftermath, all men are scum!
I just saw your clothes were in such bad shape. I was going to take off my jacket to give to you.
What? He just wanted to give me his jacket. It is a misunderstanding. My husband is a good man. Did I really misjudge him?
I am so sorry! Buzz, I was wrong! I thought...
What has this girl been through?
Alright, don't cry. Don't worry. I am not like that. What are you doing here alone? And ran into those three scumbags.
This morning, I was on a raft and drifted to this island. I wanted to find fresh water and food, but those three thugs were on a raft too and followed me. They stole my last supplies and tried to do that to me. If you hadn't come, I would have... That is so pitiful.
Besides those three scumbags, Is there anyone else on the island?
I just got here, and they targeted me. I don't know what is on the island. Fresh water. Something so precious. He just gave it to me.
This is all for us. It is ours, drink up.
Slowly. Don't choke.
Honey, look over there! What is that? Is that coconuts? Honey, look! It is a coconut tree! So many coconuts! We'll never have to worry about water again! Boss! Look! Over there in the grass! So many wild berries! Look! So many wild berries! Honey, what is wrong?
Don't move! Get behind me! It is those fever beasts again.
Boss, why are they called fever beasts? What a weird name.
It is nothing. Honey, get back!
Scared already? You saw your worst nightmare scared now!
Honey, you're amazing! When those sea monsters saw you, they just ran away!
Come, Stone Clan. No one try. Vance try. No one.
Back off! Time to feel my power!
Honey, I'll help!
Stay here and don't move. You persistent beast!
Die!
Is that all you've got there to show off?
Boss, my legs are numb. I can't move.
Oh no! It is highly venomous! Honey, this is too dangerous. Let me do it!
I am strong. I can take it. You are too small.
You are so good to me. I'll be even more thoughtful.
He is risking his life for me.
There. Most of the poison is out. Don't move. Just rest.
Boss, you saved me twice. My life is yours. Boss, I am a nurse. Can help. Please, let me stay. Boss, I am a nurse. I can help. Please, take me in.
In the aftermath, one more person. Is one more mouth to feed.
Boss, I eat very little. I'll do any work. Husband, look how pitiful she is. Besides, one more sister, to help me please you. Don't you want to experience double the pleasure?
Alright. Since Sophie is sticking up for you, you can come with us.
Thanks, boss. Thanks, Sophie.
Now that you are with us, stop calling me boss, like Sophie. Call me husband. And I'll call you my little wife.
Husband?
We're sisters now.
Come on, little wife. I'll show you our raft.
My God. Husband! This is your raft? I was just drifting at sea, starving for days. Just a broken plank under me. Not even a drop of water. This isn't survival. This is a vacation at sea.
You look just like I did back then.
Alright, don't be so surprised. This is your home now.
To be continued.
Right. The giant python we just killed has plenty of meat. Come with me to the island. Cut the meat and bring it back.
Okay, husband. Husband! Oh, the python's gone!
You little brats! How dare you steal from me! Let's take everything useful and load it on the raft. This island is too dangerous. It is no place to settle long term. Next, for a full 2 weeks, I led the 2 girls to gather everything on the island that was edible or useful, and loaded it all on the raft. Just gathering supplies wasn't enough. So, over those 2 weeks, I completely rebuilt the raft. I turned our small raft into a proper ship. It is bigger and sturdier, and much more luxurious.
Husband! Our ship is so impressive!
Let's set sail.
To be continued.
Choose your next direction.
I can now detect up to 1 kilometer.
20 meters north, a sleeping man-eater. 20 meters north, a man-eater, dangerous. A sleeping man-eater, very dangerous. No supplies to the west. Easy to gather away.
What? A super golden chest? As expected. With the navigator, the ocean is full of opportunities. A super treasure 900 meters south. Let's go check it out.
Okay. Wherever you go, we'll follow. Husband! Look! It is a chest! It is a huge golden chest!
It is a super chest. This trip was worth it.
Hey, kid! I saw that chest first! You'd better hand it over! Your boat! And those 2 beauties aren't bad either! Get lost! Make way!
Go hide!
Boss! He has got a submachine gun! So what? He has got 1 gun! He can't stop a dozen of us!
Get lost! Or else!
Comedy. Soon. Soon. Soon.
Kid! You don't want these 2 beauties to get hurt, do you?
Husband! Forget us! Save yourself!
Right, husband, don't listen to them.
I am counting to 3! Drop the gun, or I'll slit their throats! 1, 2. Smart kid! You got some balls! Boss! This kid's boat is incredible! These 2 beauties! Finally, boys, we get to have some fun! It is a grenade! How does that kid have a grenade? Hide! Get down!
Enjoy the taste of grenade.
You blew up my boat! I'll kill you!
Die! This gun is out of bullets!
Ben! He is out of bullets! Get him! Kill that kid! Kill! The boat and the woman are ours!
Kill! Husband! Catch!
You want to kill me? With this ragtag bunch, you are not good enough.
He has another gun?
Go, husband! You are amazing, husband!
Any last words? Spit it out.
Boss, I was wrong! Please, spare my life!
Too late.
No! Don't!
People like you are a menace. You okay? Are you hurt?
We're fine.
Good. Let's get that chest up here. It is a super chest! Alright! It is a super chest! Alright!
My god! So much good stuff! Honey, it is salt!
In the aftermath, salt is worth more than gold. With this salt, we can preserve jerky for much longer.
Please choose your next. Please choose your next direction. Direction.
Shelter. There might be a lot of supplies. Let's go see what is there.
Honey, what is wrong? What are you staring at over there?
Nothing. Just saw an island to the west. I bet there is good stuff on it.
Then let's go with you, honey. Let's check it out.
Alright. Then let's go check out the island. Let's see what this island is hiding.
There really is an island! Honey, your eyesight is incredible! You can see it from this far!
Take this. Stick close to me on the island.
This is...
For your protection.
You are giving this to me? He trusts me this much.
Don't be too shocked. Let's go! Let's move out!
Stay close to me.
Honey, don't tell me this island has sea monsters and bad guys too.
It is okay. I am here. This shell casings and machete marks on the wall. Looks like there was a shootout here.
So, should we still go in?
We're here now. Why not take a look?
Wait up!
No one's in here. No live monsters either. They must have run off.
That is good.
That door hasn't been touched. Let's check it out.
It won't open.
That is easy.
My god! This is insane!
Owen Riley.
My god! This is insane! How is there so much stuff? Husband, you are amazing! If you hadn't said this island had good stuff, we never would have found so much stuff.
It is nothing. Let's count this stuff, then get it on the boat.
Honey, Sophie! Look what I found!
A medkit. Let's see what is inside.
So much medicine. This has everything. With these, even a serious injury, I can handle it.
What is this medicine? I've never seen this before.
What? This is the good stuff.
You knew what this was all along.
Not just that. I also know. It'll come in handy tonight. A cannon!
To be continued.
Cannon! And so much material!
There is even a cannon!
Don't just stand there. Let's get these supplies onto the ship.
I am so tired.
Yeah.
You guys, you're just out of shape.
Honey, we hit the jackpot. We got dozens of crates of canned food alone, and so much more. Compressed biscuits and bottled water. We're set for food and water. No more going hungry.
Just one last trip. We'll grab the rest of the supplies inside, and then we're out of this hellhole.
Oh, and...
Get up. Guys, did you hear something?
Sounded like a mouse. Okay. It is coming from over there. Oh, what is that?
Get them! All of you!
Jack! Husband! I am here! Husband! There are too many rats!
Not enough ammo.
I am not afraid. I am dying with you. I'll lead them away. Take Mia and run.
Shut up! You are both surviving! Get down!
Watch out!
Animals! Die!
Alive. We're alive. Husband, you are amazing. If not for you, we'd be dead by now.
Husband, that was so scary.
Sophie! Mia! Are you okay?
We're okay. Husband, are you okay?
I'm okay.
The exit is blocked. We need to find another way out.
Get close. Watch your head.
Survivor's journal.
Husband, what is in this journal?
Colt!
Something from the deep has awakened. It is a massive sea monster. Hundreds of survivors had their rafts smashed. The monster is attacking the islands. The surrounding islands are all destroyed. It is coming for our island. If anyone finds this journal, run.
An exit! Quick! Get out of here!
I am done. That was too much.
Already? We're starting a workout routine.
No way!
Let's go. This place is so creepy.
Hold up! Tight! Monster! Run! It is over!
What is happening?
Help me! Please! That thing's a monster!
Get lost if you want to live.
Jack! Husband! What's going on?
What happened?
Look! What is that?
Looks like the journal was right. Looks like the journal was telling the truth.
Husband! It is that!
A sea monster this big. I'm afraid our weapons will only tickle it. Quick! The sail ropes. Unfurl the sail! Full speed out of here!
Go! Hold them tight! Don't let go!
Husband! It is catching up!
You steer! Don't let go!
Get off!
So thick skin.
Husband! It is going to flip us! It is going to flip the boat! Yeah, watch out!
Hold on! Hang on!
Thanks. Honey, that was terrifying.
I'll kill you! Kid! Haste this!
Honey, it is scared of fire!
Right! Running away! Beast! One more step, and I'll chop off your tentacles and feed them to the fish!
You are amazing, honey! You scared the Kraken away!
This ocean is far more dangerous than I ever imagined. The monster pirates we faced before are nothing compared to this beast. They're nothing.
Honey, are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere?
I'm fine. Don't worry.
Oh, no! Sophie! Get the planks and tarp! The hull's leaking! Quick! Planks!
Husband!
Good thing we caught it early. A few minutes later, this boat would have sunk.
Husband, I think I sprained my ankle.
Don't worry. Just a sec. It'll be over soon.
I didn't know, husband. You could do that.
Thanks, husband. Husband.
That medicine from the shelter. Let's see what it does. Besides, you can't move with that ankle, so just lie there and do as I say.
You are terrible. Oh, husband, that medicine, maybe we shouldn't take it.
What? You're scared. You can't handle it.
Husband, easy.
Come on!
Congratulations! User, Navigator Pro fully upgraded. Detection range has been extended to 5 kilometers. Within 5 kilometers, all supplies and dangerous creatures within 5 kilometers. All supplies and creatures. Detection range extended to 5 kilometers. Kilometers.
This is basically a God mode cheat!
Husband, what is wrong?
Please select your direction.
Legendary relic!
Sophie, Mia, take the submachine guns. Check the magazine's chamber around.
Husband, why are you so tense all of a sudden?
I just saw a golden light. It shot up into the sky. A light that bright. Must be a priceless treasure. But it'll also attract a lot of people. We have to be careful.
Husband, can we win?
Don't worry. I am here. Target, east. Full speed ahead.
We're here! That is the island! Nolan's iron! We're here! That is the island!
What is that light? Beautiful!
Oh, that light. It is coming from the island.
Right! The treasure's there!
Honey, something's wrong. Look around.
Charge!
Whoa, so many people. They're all after the treasure.
Get back! The treasure is mine! Anyone who dares! I'll kill them!
Honey, we have to hurry, or someone else will get it.
Easy. Look around. All these raft wrecks. And the bodies of survivors. This place isn't simple.
What is going on?
Looks like someone already discovered the treasure. But getting it won't be easy.
Honey, something's in the water. Honey, look, something's in the water. Help!
Just as I thought. An ambush.
Honey, so many sharks. How are we going to get through?
Yeah, should we retreat? It is too dangerous.
Retreat? Not a chance. Give them hell.
Honey, you mean...
Fire! We'll fight our way through!
Die!
All fear comes from insufficient firepower. Time to blast these sweeties!
Full speed ahead!
You are so cool, honey! You are invincible!
Relic. Here I come.
Hurry, follow me!
Honey, we're almost there!
Oh, beautiful.
This is the legendary relic.
What a beautiful chest! Let's open it and see!
Freeze! That chest is ours!
Yours? You think you deserve it?
One gun! You think that scares us? Boys, show them what we got! Drop the gun, and we'll let you live!
Honey, they have guns too.
3 lousy guns. You dare challenge me? Fire. Is that all you got? And you thought you could take this from me? Pathetic. Let's see. What treasure is inside? This is a pearl.
Congratulations! User, you've obtained the Aquamarine Orb, a treasure left by Poseidon. It unleashes divine power, controls the sea.
Aquamarine orb. A treasure left by Poseidon. So this is the power of a relic.
Honey, what is this pearl for?
A treasure left by Poseidon. It controls the sea.
Controls the sea. That is amazing.
Honey, what is that?
A dragon.
That is a dragon! Honey! Oh, it's capsizing!
Beast! You dare touch my boat? What is wrong? Why isn't it working? Wake up, damn it!
We're done for! We're going to die here! Honey, help me!
Hidden treasure. Janestone.
Damn it! How do I use this aquamarine orb?
Why is it so bright?
This is the power of the aquamarine orb! Stop!
That? What is that? Seawater. It is forming a hand.
You dare touch my things! Die! Finally done.
Husband! You took down the sea dragon! You are incredible! You are a god!
Is this the power of a relic? Unbelievable. I had no idea the aquamarine orb was this powerful. With this, on these seas, who can stop me now?
You are amazing, husband.
It was nothing.
Husband, that move you just pulled was so cool. The seawater formed a giant hand and crushed the sea dragon. Husband, are you invincible now?
Not invincible, exactly. But with the aquamarine orb on this ocean, we can do whatever we want.
So, we don't have to be afraid anymore!
We really struck gold this time.
Relic recognized. Scanner range upgraded to 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers! This is awesome!
Choose your next destination.
Mystery Island. Many survivors.
Husband, what is wrong?
5 kilometers east, there is a mystery island, and it is full of survivors.
What? Survivors? Are they good or bad?
Good or bad? We'll find out when we get there.
Right. Besides, we have the aquamarine orb now. We're not scared.
Raise the sails. Set sail. Let's go.
Hey!
10-kilometer range. The secrets of this ocean are all mine. "10-kilometer range. The secrets of this sea will all be mine."
Honey, so many people on that island.
Honey, are we going up?
Let's observe first. There are at least 1,000 survivors and armed forces.
Boat ahead! Are you here to join our island base?
Join. I don't join anyone.
Who are you?
Jack Fisher, a sea survivor.
Jack Fisher, the one who took down Rex Blackbeard and repelled the sea monster. Boss Jack, we've heard so much about you. Our chief wants to see you.
Chief!
Our chief is the strongest survivor in these waters. He built the sea base and shelters over 1,000 survivors.
Honey, be careful.
Yeah, honey. Better to be cautious.
It is fine. What is the harm in checking it out? Lead the way.
This place. It is like a small town. I never thought there'd be a place like this at sea.
Welcome, welcome. Young Jack Fisher, I've heard so much about you.
You are too kind, Chief. This base is more bustling than I imagined.
I hear, young Jack Fisher, you are incredibly powerful. You took down the pirate Rex Blackbeard and even repelled a giant sea monster.
Just got lucky.
Good. You are humble for a young man like that. Young Jack Fisher, I have a favor to ask.
What is it?
Our base. In 3 days, a tsunami will hit this entire area.
A tsunami!
This tsunami will be unprecedented. If we don't evacuate, everyone will die.
So, what you are saying is?
I need your help, young Jack Fisher. Escort our women, children, and the elderly to safety.
Deal. But I have one condition.
What is it? Name it!
After the tsunami, this island is mine.
To be continued.
Wait! If you can stop this tsunami and save everyone on this island, I'll give it to you. From now on, I'll be your man, at your command.
Relax. I am here. You won't die.
This is...
This is Poseidon's aquamarine orb. With this, I can control the sea and get you all to safety.
Honey, the tsunami's here!
What a huge wave.
Hold on tight! With me here, no one dies! Break!
We're saved! We're saved!
We're saved!
We're saved!
A miracle!
From now on, I rule these seas.
Honey, you are amazing. My husband is the king of the sea.
Come on, bring it on! In this aftermath, I, Jack Fisher, will build the mightiest sea kingdom